Hello, I'm Anna, University of Applied Sciences in Nysa, Poland. Internationalization. Apart from the benefits that it brings to the institution, like development, promotion of different programs and courses, I'd like to tell that if you want to create the global citizens, the people who are tolerant, who are open for the world, who want to interact with the others, there's no way doing it without internationalization. Our students must be stuck to those objectives from the early stage, from the beginning, and including not only languages, not only mobility, which is essential, and I think it should be obligatory for every student, but they also should be touched by the topic in the content of our training and courses. This is something that should be done within the Europe to create the better world. Thank you.